Good morning. We are looking out at that interchange between University and I-94 right now in Fargo. And just as quickly as that snow swept in, it's moved out and we're looking at some better visibility right here in the metro. It's a different story for other places, though. We do have some scattered snow showers moving through, and that's going to bring down your visibility. It's also going to coat your road surfaces there. You can probably make out that we're looking at maybe some tire tracks on the bridge on the interstate there. And actually, I'm going to zoom in on that if we can hold this shot so we can show you where we're going to be dealing with some issues on some of the roads where these snow showers move through. So, you know, those bridge decks, we always talk about them being a little bit more troublesome because they're suspended and they're a little bit colder surfaces. And you could see that right there, a good example of I-94 going over University where the snow has accumulated and it's still there. So this is a great example of what you may be dealing with here this morning in some of these spots, these colder spots we always tell you about. So again, yes, we're looking at some snow coming down and it's going to lead to some slick areas again for your morning commute. It's scattered just like yesterday. You may see one bout move through and then another one quickly, and then there's big breaks in between. And we've got one pocket here, the one that's moved through Fargo-Moorhead. It's now moving down into Lakes Country and down into the southeastern, extreme southeastern North Dakota, Oaks back over into Richland County, Barnesville, and back up to Detroit Lakes, getting a good little snow round here. Mahnomen too, and over toward Ada. It's dropping to the southeast, so that means Fargo's now in a break. We're probably seeing a couple of flakes over in places like Moorhead and Dilworth, but this is winding down for the FM Metro. Then there'll probably be a big break, and then another round here that we're looking at up to the northwest, just entering Benson County and the Devil's Lake area here, dropping to the southeast as well. So do Rockford, Carrington, be ready for this. And up along the international border, we're watching more snow showers there too. So not quite done with this event that started up yesterday. Wind is still brisk too. We've got some wind gusts into the 30s in Oaks at 35 miles per hour, some 20s up to the north, a 28-mile-per-hour gust in Langdon. It's that northwesterly wind. It'll keep our temperatures down today. We're into the upper 20s to some low 30s right now. It's 29 in Fargo and 27 in Grand Forks. So that means below freezing temperatures and the possibility for some accumulation and some slick spots that you'll want to watch out for. So here's a look at that hour-by-hour planner. Some scattered areas of snow this morning, continuing through daybreak into the 9 o'clock hour. Still have some spotty flakes. And then eventually this does wind down. We're looking at quieting conditions at noon and more areas of sunshine. Still breezy, still seeing those gusts getting into the 30s, and temperatures that really do struggle today, getting into the 30s to about 40 for your high temperature, and that'll be about it. So cooler day with some sunnier skies by the afternoon and still a little breezy. Notice those wind arrows that we use to show you that there's some strong gusts happening. Those really start to ease up as we head into the later evening hours and overnight tonight. And we'll start off the day tomorrow with some quiet conditions to begin your Friday morning. You may have a few clouds starting to move in on your Friday. So again, a coating, a dusting of snow, that's it for what we'll see for the rest of the day today. Here's your photo today, the Dahlen Lutheran Church. Thanks, Mary, for sharing that shot with that full moon there. And a look at your holiday weekend. Good Friday looks quiet, but into the nighttime hours, we might see a few sprinkles. Saturday, another round of maybe a little mixed precipitation. And then heading into Easter Sunday, quieting down, but cooling down, a high of 38.
Sounds great. Thank you, Lisa. When we come